Mean what? Nest in singular word, what is nest?
Kurulu kuduva.
Yes, kurulu kuduva.
He's like a rabbit.
But you make it ku. This one has to make it ku. Kurulu ru.
Teacher is like a rabbit.
You're calling him a rabbit?
Yeah.
Correct.
His
Kurulu.
teeth is like a rabbit.
See what he's telling you? I'm not going to say anything. Kuduva. Ku. Very good. Very good. Kuduva. Kuduva. Yes. What's the next one? What is nestling, Pute? Nestling means kurulu petau. Anna right. Correct. Kurulu petia. Kurulu petia.
What should I play now?
What should you